Hello, and welcome to Module 6, Environmental Health. I really hope you will enjoy teaching this module as much as I enjoyed creating it with my co-author, Ahmad Pokral. Module 6, Environmental Health, is designed to be presented in approximately 1 hour. The content is novel and may likely be as new to you as it is to your students. To increase your comfort in teaching this module, I suggest pre-watching the videos and familiarizing yourself with the supplemental materials. The module supplement form includes 4 recommended pre-readings for students to complete prior to the module session. Similar to other modules in the Global Health Starter Kit, the supplement also includes recommended metrics for evaluating whether students demonstrate the learning objectives after your delivery of the module, as well as 5 multiple-choice example assessment questions corresponding to this module. You can use the evaluation metrics as a guide to develop your own assessments. To keep the session engaging, this module contains several videos related to an environmental justice case study. The concept of environmental health, especially as it relates to oral health, is very new, and so there's not a lot of published literature available at this time. However, we've gathered a small sample of high-quality resources to support the learning outcomes with dental students in mind. For this module, we've listed these 4 competencies from the Global Oral Health Competency Matrix and included 3 measurable learning objectives written specifically for this module. Topics covered in the module include an introduction to the basic concept of environmental health with essential foundational vocabulary, a discussion of climate change and its effects within the One Health concept, the 3-box model, environmental health pathway, and the theme of environmental justice. We also describe global climate initiatives, especially those that relate to oral health and oral health care delivery. Finally, we consider ways in which we can take action to minimize or mitigate our impact on the environment. I hope you enjoy teaching Module 6 and find it interesting and exciting. Remember, there are currently a total of 7 modules in the Global Health Starter Kit. I invite you and your students to take full advantage of the course as we journey together toward optimal global health for all. Happy teaching!